Hello, on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a booking on FlyClub. First thing that you wanted to do is sign in. Click sign in on the top right corner on your screen. Enter your email address and password and click sign in. After that, click the menu icon on the top right corner and click make a booking. On this page, you need to select your aircraft. Down below, you can choose the date of your booking, use the calendar to select the date, and also you can choose the start time for the booking. After choose date and time for the booking. The next section is optional. You can select Fly Focus. Also, you can enter any remarks or comments. After that, click Submit Booking to finish creating a booking. Click Check Out to start finalizing your flight. On this page, enter departure airport. Enter the destination. Enter a hub's start time. And then enter hub's end time. The next section is air time. So enter a time up and enter time down. Down below, you can enter remarks for the owner or enter remark for the next pilot. Click Add another leg if you'd like to add another leg to the flight. Just repeat this information from leg 1. If you're done, click Continue to Payment. Confirm that you have entered the correct information and then click Confirm Payment to pay for the flight.